Today, I'm gonna help you fix a very big problem with CapCut that's stopping you from using any of your previous projects that were there before the shutdown. This video is gonna be so quick, so please subscribe if you're new, hit the like button, and share with someone else who could use this help. So here's what you're gonna do. Open up CapCut on your phone, and then on the right side of the project, you'll see these 3 circles. There's gonna be a whole bunch of settings. Don't upload the space, don't do anything like that. All you're gonna have to do is hit the duplicate button. You're gonna duplicate the project, open up the duplicated project, and then you're gonna go in there, you could change something, so make the saturation go from 0 to 1 or something like that, and then export the file, and it's gonna let you export it now. It's not gonna give you the cloud error warning or anything like that. A lot of people have been having this problem importing or exporting files into a project that was there before the shutdown. This is how you can still use that project that was there before the shutdown occurred. The problem is it's not synchronizing with the servers for some reason because the save is not there anymore because it's shut down. But this should fix your problem. You should be able to open up that project. You should be able to still use it. I know for a fact that this is gonna fix a problem for at least 1,000 people that I've read comments from. So hopefully this helps. Again, if it did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.